Locking and unlocking objects in Pcon Planner. By using the lock and unlock function in Pcon Planner, you are able to prevent various objects from being edited in the planning. This protects against unintentional movement of the floor or other elements in the plan, for example. If one or more objects are selected, they can be blocked via the Edit tab by clicking on Lock. The action can also be done via the mini toolbar that opens with a right click. A locked object can be identified in the planning by the small lock symbol. It is possible to select it, but no changes can be made to the position of the object. By the way, if a reference copy of an object is locked, all reference copies are automatically locked as well. To release a locked object again, it must be selected and can be released via the Edit tab by clicking on Unlock. The lock and unlock functions can also be applied to object groups, for example, to completed areas of the planning that are currently not to be edited any further. You can find more information in the Help Center and on our YouTube channel.